Hello guys, Brian back here with another look at Kaspa here. Alright, we have gotten a bounce here this morning. Got a couple messages. Why are we dumping? I think we covered that in the video the other day talking about a double bottom or a W formation coming out of here. And we're going to dig into this chart here in a second. Take a look at the crypto bubbles real quick here. As soon as they load up, I just opened it up here. So there you go. That's the top 100. Where's Kaspa at here? Ding. It's crazy. I can never find this thing right off the bat. So last time somebody said, "Oh, your pointer was sitting right on it." Anyway, let's go down and just search it here real quick. KAS Kaspa. There we go. 45th. We stayed steady today. $756 million market cap and $12.5 million in volume last 24 hours. So. Not too bad. I'd like to see the volume kick up a little bit higher, 12.5 million. But anyway, let's take a look real quick at see what's going on here with the market. I got a price prediction here for you guys at the end. It comes from a company that does crypto research. Well, they do all kinds of stuff. Telegon is an information technology platform that visions to create innovative solutions in the blockchain ecosystem, and talks about cryptos, DeFi, dApps, NFTs, and metaverse. So that's who it's from, and we're going to go over it here in a second. But I found it kind of shocking, but you'll see what I'm talking about here in the end. All right, this ABC that we've been talking about coming in here. Let's see what we got here. Let's look at the 12-hour. Got the 12-hour right at the top, the RSI here. Let's open these charts up a little bit. And we got the daily. The daily's rolling over. Okay, so, and I believe that's all because, let's see here, that monthly, I believe, yeah, the monthly is way up at the top here, looking to correct. The weekly's down at the bottom, but bearish, and the daily. All right, so probably going to get one more pull down in this Bitcoin dominance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll see what happens here. All right, Bitcoin itself isn't doing a whole lot. Down another, it's down $200 today as we're putting out this video. The Dow Jones actually had a little bit of a bounce, which is nice to see. We definitely needed that. All right, so if you take a look at this pullback so far, you can see we're hitting the 702 Fibonacci here. Let's go out in the weekly. We'll pull this down one more time here and see where this this pullback is. Okay, we're going to go right off of this impulse right here. Pull it up. Yeah, right on that 702. All right, so yeah, definitely want to see Bitcoin bounce here sometime. That 786. If we lose this down here at 24,680 bucks, then you'd probably be looking at, further down, which, well, obviously if we lose that, but I mean a lot further down if we lose that 786 level. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that thing for sure. Bitcoin, the Dow Jones, yeah, there we go. It had this level on here. It broke it yesterday. It has rebounded and retaken this level, thank God. Don't want to see a big breakdown obviously in the stock markets. That would be really bad for everything really. But you can see this thing, look at that wedge breakout here. I mean, this thing had this wedge forming, got the breakout, still waiting for the bounce here. That, this would be considered a retest right here. So hopefully this thing can get going. We have that weekly pulling down. Got the daily just reset on here, so need to see these bigger markets rebound. That's it's kind of not a good sign to see them doing so bad. The Dixie hasn't done a whole lot today. It's up 0.14%. The daily's right at the top here. The 12 is still coming up, but I'm probably going to come back and retest this area here now as support. You can see the support line right through here. All right, so it's probably going to come up. Probably going to pull back. You get the breakout, you get the retest, and then this thing might continue up. We'll have to see if it breaks that 104.6 right up here. That would be this circled area right over here. That would be the the big area for it to take on. And if you're interested in learning how to read the charts and stuff, guys, there's a level 3 membership I have. There's 7 videos in there now. I'm gonna put another new one out here within the next couple days, but you can go over there and sign up for a level 3 membership and get access to those videos and learn how to read charts and all that stuff. But if you just want to sign up for a regular membership to support the channel, it's 99 cents a month. So every little bit helps. So you like, a subscribe, everything helps me out. So I appreciate everything you guys do for me. I very, very much do. The crypto total market cap, you can see here. Let's open this up a little bit here. It also has lost that, this major support zone here. Okay, want to see a rebound here. The measured move for this, if it follows through, is down here around $731 billion, which would line right up with this bottom through here. So we don't want to see that happen, that's for sure. The total market cap without Bitcoin is down 3.4 billion, just staying in that zone, just going sideways through here. Look at this thing. Let's go out in the weekly so I can you can see it better. I mean, look at this thing, just going sideways through here. Okay, it is at the I guess the upper portion of the range, if you want to call it that. We had this bottom range here, and it came up, and it's bouncing on that as support right now. But 522 billion, wow. I mean, that's I'm kind of shocked that we've actually even pulled down that far. We were down to 432 billion, which let's put a Fibonacci on that and see real quick. Let's get rid of these lines first. Go from the bottom to the top. Look at that, right on that 786. Isn't it crazy how this fib works? I love this thing. Look at that, right on this line. Pretty crazy, but you can see how detrimental that is. I mean, that it almost lines up with the previous all-time high back here, right over here. Pretty close to it, but pretty detrimental. We hold these areas, it really is. All right, let's go over to Kaspa here. What do you guys think? Should we read the price prediction first or go over the charts? Maybe we'll just go over the charts and end the video with the price prediction here. That'd probably be the best thing to do. All right, let's go in on the 4 hour here. All right, we talked about this double bottom coming in last 2 videos. Not yesterday, didn't do a video yesterday. Day before, we talked about a double bottom coming in, possibly the 3.7 down to the 3.6 area here. Okay, it has come down to what is it, 0.0365. Okay, you can see right here, this thing is pulled back to here, and this is where it seems to be getting a bounce at. If we go out on the daily, let's actually put a Fibonacci on this real quick and see how far this pullback has been. See if this 618, 702 is what we're looking for, right on the 618. Perfect. The blue line right here, that's where we got our first bounce. Whoops, what's going on here? There we go. The blue line, it's hit with this yellow line right here, but the blue line, excuse me, that's the golden pocket, or whatever they want to call it. That's your main area you want to bounce from. All right, the 702 is a great area too for pullbacks, but that 618 is where a lot of guys will get in trades at. They put the fib on here, wait for that pullback to come down. As soon as that 618 is hit, they have an entry already in here for it, and it would have got it on the wick there, and then they ride the price action up. But we are at that 618. We technically have not come down and touched it on this second bottom yet, but we might not. It might be all the further down we come here. We'll have to we'll take a look at these RSIs and see and try to figure this out. All right, our daily is almost reset. It's at a 12 and a 21. We talked about this thing, about all these RSIs, hopefully all of them resetting at the same time here. The daily is almost there. You can see it straightening out down here on the bottom. All right, so the 12 hour, yeah, look at this. The 12 hour is starting to curve back up. Got a green 12 hour candle here. The 8 hour, beautiful. Just heading up at a 6 and a 2. Got a green candle on the 8. The 4, just starting up, a 21 and a 10, and we also have a green 4-hour candle started, and the 1 hour. There you go. We got our it broke this resistance at 0.0369. That was our first area to break, and you can see how it did it too. It's I love it. Came up, came back tested it right there and as support, and now it's starting to hopefully bounce out of here. But you can see how you get your breakout, then you get your pullback for your retest. Okay, the retesting this previous resistance now as support, and it's starting up. We got that 1 hour RSI right at the top here. All right, which that one it goes up and down all day long, literally up and down all day long. All right, so we'll see if that has much of an impact on any kind of price here. Well, we have the 4-hour on the bottom, the 8-hour on the bottom and heading up. We got the 12-hour just turning up, and we have the daily almost totally reset. So our weekly still pulling down, which obviously that's a big one. Okay, definitely want to keep our eyes on that. That weekly, I'd like to see this start to curve back up here. We'll have to wait. The daily will pull that back up if we get that curve back up here on the daily. All right, but this could be it could be a bottom here. All right, I'm not gonna come out and say it is. You know, I was almost expecting it to come down to this 0.0360, yeah, 0.0360 area. But you know, like I said, it could anywhere from 3.7 to 3.6. Well, this could be the bottom here. Could be. We'll have to wait it out and find out. But you can see if we take a trend line and put it on here as a resistance line. All right, zoom right in on this price action. Let's get a trend line out here and see if this has broke any resistance at all. All right, be right down through there. Actually, it has. Okay, it's broken this resistance line. All right, we have the poke through. We have this. You know, if you go in on the even on the half hour here. Okay, this is the half hour. Let's go on the hourly, so I can line this up perfect. Alright, this resistance would have been right back here. Alright, so you can see we had the resistance line here. Okay, resistance, 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 and then it finally broke through it. It came back, it retested it. This is where we should be getting our bounce. The 15-minute RSI is just turning back up. You can see it curving. So hopefully the bottom's in, guys. We'll have to wait it out and find out. But the chart's looking fine. All right, absolutely. We'll keep. You know, the best way to keep track of this is to take a trend line yourself if you're charting it. You know, and just keep track of the momentum upwards. You know, as it comes back, should ride a line right up there for you, or after a few candles print, you know, like the half hour, all right, you can see you can get a better trend line on it, even down to the 15-minute, you know, and that way you can keep track of your upward momentum and track it as it goes. So we'll keep an eye on it. But let's get to this price prediction over here. This is from, like I said, Telegon, but like I said, they are an information technology platform that visions to create innovative solutions in the blockchain ecosystem, and they talk about cryptos, DeFi, dApps, NFTs, and the metaverse. All right, so they're intrigued in all of cryptocurrency here. They have a price prediction for 2023, 2025, and 2030. All right, we're not going to read all this, but it says Kaspa is a proof of work, crypto like Bitcoin. Before going into the price predictions, let's have a detailed analysis of the Kaspa project. All right, they go through everything here. BlockDAG, robust proof of work engine like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Kaspa is a community-based project, completely open source with no central governance. Let's get on. They talk about the roadmap. Kaspa is listed in many popular exchanges like KuCoin. All right, here we go. 2023, they have the average price at 5.5 cents, the max price at 7 cents. 2024, they have it going to 8.5 cents to the max price of about 10 cents. All right, 2025, they have it going up. The average price is 17 cents, the maximum a quarter. 2026, 35 cents to 41 cents. All right, 2027, they have 52 cents to 73 cents. The average is the one I'm reading first. I should go from the minimum. 64 cents to $1.12 in 2028. 2029, they have it from $1.18 to $1.77. 2030, $1.79 to $2.84. Now let me say something before I read these last ones because they get a little steep. It's not me. I'm not putting these price predictions out there, okay? A lot of price predictions online have changed ever since Kaspa has like gone through this massive growth spurt. If when I first started looking online, when I first started covering this thing, like the max for 2 years from now was like 18 cents. Now like everybody's predicting higher prices for this thing. Obviously you get mass adoption, you get bigger investors, you get whales coming in, and the price predictions start skyrocketing, right? So that's what I want to say before I get down here. This isn't me. The whole internet out there is kind of going crazy over this Kaspa. So 2040, $6.25 to $8.14. We have another one here. Hold on. 2050. Look at this. Minimum $18.12 to $22.31. All right. So do the math on that. What the market cap would have to be? It would have to be pretty high. That's 27 years from now. It's hard to tell what will happen in 27 years. Who knows? 27 years ago, who would have dreamed that you'd be sitting at a table watching this video right now on the internet? You know what I mean? There's a lot of things that 27 years will change a lot. Who's to say Bitcoin will even be around in 27 years? Who's to say Kaspa won't be the main crypto out there? It's hard to tell what will happen in 27 years, but $22. Ooh boy, that would be one heck of a market cap. That's for sure. I could see up to $3. I've said that all along. You can call it FUD. You can call it what you want. Everybody's got their own opinion. Everybody's entitled to say whatever they would like to say. But I believe $3 in the end will be that's a good price for this project. I believe that. Not financial advice. I gotta say that. You get really tired of saying it. I need to just put it up on my screen after my videos. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So. But anyway, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments. Just please be kind. It's not my price predictions, the $22, but that'd be nice. That's for sure. And who's, you never know. So, all right. Thank you so very much, guys. You're the best. And please hit the like and subscribe. And I'll be back with you very soon. Everybody have a great night.